Hello everyone, I'm looking new feature in Go. There is how to use Kajabi email template importer. By using this feature, we can import templates from Kajabi by simply sending it an email from Kajabi to a dynamically generated email ID in just a few seconds. For accessing this feature, first you need to get into sub-user level account of Go and then click on marketing. After clicking on marketing, you will get a emails option. You can click on templates. After clicking on templates, you need to click on new. Then click on import email. After clicking on import email, you can import the email from Kajabi. After that, you need to send an email that we can send a test email by using this feature. After that, you can click on continue. After after that, I will get a import template, import email template like this, and I can change the name from Kajabi any different name, and I can give the template as a template or something, and I can use this feature. Thank you.